welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you an amazing project. So I am back with Elmon X with another public sale of Zoobs. So contemporary artist renowned for his celebrity portraits. Two of his famous art pieces and first ever NFTs are launching. God Save the Future Queen and King of Pops. The original were bought by Dolls and Gabbana in 2011 for over £20,000 per piece and were hanging in their Bond Street store for 7 years. They were first introduced to the world at the opening of the store in 2012. The event was attacked by Kelly Minogue and Robert and many others from the international entertainment industries. The original pieces are mixed media pieces created by mixing digital imaging and acrylic and oil based paints. So, God Save the Queen was inspired by the record cover of God Save the Queen by Sex Pistols from the 1970s. The two mixed media works were released in the spring 2011, just before the royal wedding took place. So, 12 years later, on the 12-year anniversary of Kate Middleton and Prince William, and one week before Prince Charles' coronation, Elon X brings you the digital collectibles of these masterpieces. The original artwork were celebrated globally and went viral. So 333 original editors of each, 13 AP edition of each, and AP editions come with a physical print using 100% cotton, heavyweight paper that features a premium matte in inkjet coating and meeting the highest industry standards for density, color gamut, color graduation, and image sharpness. So this is the Zoobs. The public sale will be on 29 April 9 a.m. only on Elmon X. Let me show you some images. So if you go to images, you can see these are the Zoobs. So uh, so if you scroll down, I will add the important links in the description. So I will show you amazing Twitter links and other major links to read. So you can also read the article on BBC. So these are the very interesting and highly valued projects. So here you can see this is elmanx.com official website. If you open this website, you will see the first Zoobs public sale on April 29, and here you can see Elmanx creates license contemporary, modern, and impressive NFT arts. You can also see the previous video about this. So let's go to the Twitter account. Let me show you another option. So you can see join us Twitter space April 27th 7 p.m. BST 11 a.m. PT to hear Zoobs Ansari speaks about his first ever NFT collection, and there will be some surprises. Set a reminder. You can set a reminder by clicking this link. If you scroll down, you will see the tweets and retweets and other uh, uh, options also. So why on 29th April? It will be the 12th anniversary of Kate and William, and it is the 1 week before the king's coronation. So you can see this video also.
Store for
I can't
about
play this
7 years.
video because of some of copyright. So I will add in this Twitter link in the bio, in the video description, so you can check it out. And if you go to the another Twitter link, I will add in the description. So this is also about the Zoobs Ansari NFT. So don't miss Zoobs and Ansari NFT collection debut at Elmonex on April 29, featuring two famous artworks transformed into digital collectibles. And join us for exclusive reveal with Zoobs on Thursday, April 27 at 7 p.m. Twitter Spaces. So if you scroll down, you can see both NFTs with thousands of tweets and likes. So you can see this also. This is the Zoobs and Elmonex collaborate exclusive NFT collection and release on 12th wedding anniversary of Kate and Prince William. Elmonex launched highly anticipated NFT collections. God Save the Future Queen and King Pop's artwork transformed into exclusive digital collectibles. On 29th, 2023, Elmonex, based in London, UK, will launch their highly anticipated Zoobs NFT collection, and coinciding with the 12th anniversary of Kate Middleton and Prince William, as well as the 12th anniversary of original God Save the Future Queen and King of Pops. So, King of Pop and editor unveiled at the Opera Gallery The original Zoobs were acquired by Dolce and Gabbana and displayed at the Bond Street Gallery for 6 months after being featured on BBC. So later they were showcased at Dolce and Gabbana Manwear store in the Bond Street during the grand opening, attended by celebrities like Kelly and Robert Ball. So Zob collection remained at the store for the impressive 7 years. So, Elmnex notable NFTs release includes the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci and the Starry Nights by Vincent van Gogh. So, I already created a video about Starry Nights. You can see in the video section. I so and another one, world famous artists such as Patrick Hughes. And now let me explain about Zoobs. So who is Zoobs? Zoobs Ansari, a British artist of Indian and Pakistani heritage, draws a personal experience to explore society's obsession with physical perfection, popular culture, and celebrity. His works, which include photography, audio, video, sculpture, and performance, reflects influence from arts, fashion, film, music, and other. Zoob's childhood experience, including the sudden death of his father and struggle with assimilation in different culture environments, deeply affected him and fueled his artist expression. After a career in commercial photography, Zoob shifted to more personal work, experimenting with mixed media and creating unique portraits that uh, garnered acclaim. Inspired by Warhol, Zoob's recent work delves into consequences of obsession, pursuit of fame, the age of social media. In Zoob's collection, there are four different digital collectibilities. So the four are the collection parts of Zoob's collection include God Save the Future Queen, original 333 editors, King of Pop's original 333 editors, God Save the Future Queen, Artist Proof plus physical print 13 editions, and the King of Pop Artist Proof plus physical print of 13 editions. Owner of the Artist Proof edition unlocks a physical hand sign Zob limited print using 100% cotton heavyweight paper. The future the heavyweight paper that feathers a premium matte inkjet coating, meeting the highest industry standards for the density, color gamut, color graduation, and the image sharpness. So about the drop, let me explain the drop. I showed with the Twitter links. So in 2021, British artist Zoobs Ansari created two mixed media artworks titled God Save the Future Queen and King of Pop, featuring Prince William and Kate Middleton. Now the Prince and Princess of Wales, measuring 48 inches, 48 by 36 inches. Those works were created on wood and combining digital imagery, lettering, mortgage, and Zoom signed paint work. They were part of series of the works he called scrolls, which he started creating on the wood after initially using heavyweight art paper. The work were framed into Victorian frames, adding 12 inches to their size, and were unveiled at the Gallery of in London, and generating global media coverage and eventually being acquired by Dolce and Gabbana. Limited edition prints were also released and sold out within a week. Inspired by Sex Pistols, vinyl records artwork, the work will now be released as interactive NFTs on 12th wedding anniversary of Prince and Princess of Wales, approximately 12 years after they were first created. So Elmonex used the immutable decentralized blockchain database for tracking digital assets, and collectors can interact with NFTs through augmented reality, and mobile apps are available in beta for user to reserve username. So there you can see at the top right corner, iOS, Android, and web. There are apps available here. So Urban apps are currently available to download in beta and designed to improve the NFT collecting experience for licensed products, art, digital products, animation, and experiences. So you can join the launch date on 29th of April. It will be the price will be revealed. To stay up to date, follow Elmonex on social media. So this is the social media link, linked.ee/Elmonex. So if you scroll down next in collectibles and artworks, you can see Zoob's Twitter space Thursday link also available here, and you can see the Zoob's article of Medium article, and here you can see Elmonex Thinker Medium OpenSea, Elmonex official OpenSea, Elmonex Android app, Elmonex iOS testing flight, Elmonex drops, Elmonex website, and Medium article. If you open the Medium article, you can see Elmonex introduced Zoobs. So here you can see the hype. You can imagine the hype by opening these links. So Medium is not a simple website; it's very high worthy website. And you can also open the OpenSea link. So elmonex.eth, and this is the OpenSea link. So here you can see all the NFTs available here, and there are multiple links, so you can check it out. And let me explain the drop page. So open it. So elmonex.com/drops. So these are the drops, and that's all. At the bottom you can see the social media icon. You can also visit the social media of Elmonex. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.